Mr. Christopher De Souza, please take your 4 cards together.
Sir, the Smart Nation Drive is Singapore's vision to be an economically competitive global city and a livable home. There is much economic and social advantage to garner from it, including individuals' convenience, accessibility, enterprises' efficiency through innovation, resource utilization, and allocation. Society benefits too through creating opportunities and finding new ways to generate value. To this end, how is the Ministry of Law supporting this effort? Through the enacting of a supportive legal regulatory framework or through the day-to-day operations of the various agencies or bodies under its purview? Second cut. Innovation, if harnessed and promoted, can be a key driver of future economic growth. This is especially so as Singapore transitions into an innovation-led economy. As MinLaw seeks to develop Singapore as an IP hub, how does it support businesses to develop strategies and expertise to realize the full value of intellectual property? And importantly, how does MinLaw and IPOS continue to ensure that IP is well protected in Singapore and that Singapore retains its reputation as a jurisdiction with good IP protection? I should also declare that I am a legal practitioner who also practices IP law. Third cut. The rule of law has been called the bedrock on which our society was founded and on which it has thrived. An accessible court of law is one of the 8 non-exhaustive principles which jurist Joseph Raz set out as flowing from the basic concept of the rule of law. He says, given the central position of the courts in ensuring the rule of law, it is obvious that their accessibility is of paramount importance. Long delays, excessive costs may effectively turn the most enlightened law to a dead letter and frustrate one's ability effectively to guide oneself by the law. Access to justice is important for the justice in a rule of law society. Justice cannot be exclusive to the well-educated who can understand and navigate their way through our legal system, or the rich who are able to hire lawyers. Therefore, what reforms does MinLaw envision to improve our criminal, civil, and family justice systems so as to ensure the rule of law and access to justice remains in Singapore? There is a need, sir, next cut, to enforce tough laws to deter highly harmful crimes such as drug trafficking. Historically, capital offences were the last category of cases in Singapore to be tried by jury and later by 2 trial judges. They were required to arrive at a unanimous decision, otherwise the accused would be convicted for a lesser offence. As a trier of fact, trial judges have an important role in deciding questions of fact, which the appellate court seldom disturbs. In conclusion, therefore, would the Ministry of Law be open to studying whether it would be beneficial for the criminal justice system as a whole, that is, the defense, the prosecution, as well as the accused person facing capital punishment, to have 3 High Court judges sit in trials involving a capital charge?
Please.